a letter, ano siya, letter na allowing us enumerators to enumerate the counts. Kaya gikan sa inyong main office. Kaya other counts will not allow our enumerators to penetrate the area for safety. So, but then when we had the letter from your main office, and even some of the provincial offices also coordinated with the provincial PNP, and they also provided a letter allowing the enumerators to penetrate and do the interview for the counts.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we have a civil military operations office. We will be receiving letters from the request letters from other units, ma'am. Maybe we can also the letters, ma'am, para sila po maghatag o go signal, ma'am. Pwede ba sila mag-ano, ma'am? And then pwede po mag-courtesy call, ma'am, if ever.
Thank you. Thank you for your support. I know na in all our census and surveys, the PNP is always there to support us. Thank you.
Army man, Philippine Army.
AFP, yes, sorry.
But we also have partnership with the PNP.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am. And that will be the last question that we will be entertaining for today, no? As much as we would like to entertain all your questions, but due to the urgency of time and time constraints at mga resource persons, you can email at PSA, no? PSA Region 10. Okay. So, very last question na lang dyan daw. Ingon ang mga RD, no? Yes, sir, in gray.
Sige.
Sir, in gray. Yes, sir. Ikaw, sir. Yes, sir.
Birahe.
Nga alam mo talaga. Bitaw, may apod sa atong tanan, Sardor Sindog ng Guardian at Iwam. Kani, simple na niya ang atong question. Pilang ka days, weeks, or months ang itagan sa pag-census, ma'am? Kaya ikaduha ng pangutana, ato bang ang ato pagpagwaon ng mga trabahante kini bang dili mga istrikta, dili mga maldito. Kaya naman ko yung uban yung kini makatawan pagtanaw niya, maldito, istrikto, di na silang budungol. Pero maayo ang pagtaga dyan pag-volunteer din na sila pag-ato.
Kanang gwapo, gwapa? Okay. Kanang gwapo, gwapa?
Sir, ang enumeration will last for roughly 55 days. 55 days or 2 months, no, ang ato ang enumeration. And then, regarding the enumerators and pleasing personality, para ma-entertain sa mga respondents ang ato mga enumerators. Actually, they were trained. In fact, during the training, we also included kung sa dapat ilang suoton during sa enumeration, dili ko mag-coat antay. Lang yun siya, dili lang mag-shorts, dili mag-sleeper, presentable sila during sa enumeration para matuuhan sila, enumerator din sila. No, so, they were trained for 5 or 6 days for the supervisors for the concepts as well as on how to enumerate effectively with our respondents. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much, no, sa tanan nga ng questions. So, for those na naadya po yung mga questions but we cannot entertain due to the constraint of time, you can email us at rsso10@psa.gov.ph for your questions. So once again, thank you so much to everyone.